Now, India has registered nearly 1,200 COVID-19 deaths and almost 87,000 new infections in the last 24 hours. Globally, coronavirus has claimed over 1 million lives and infected more than 33.8 million people so far. More details in this report.
COVID-19 is showing no signs of slowing, forcing countries to choose between collapsing economies and restrictive measures to contain the second wave of the outbreak. India's coronavirus fatalities have jumped to over 6.3 million, with the death toll nearing 99,000. A recent report by the Indian Health Authority says more than 63 million people may have contracted COVID-19. This makes the tally about 10 times higher than the official count.
जिन्होंने अपनी समस्याओं को नजरअंदाज करते हुए
The death statistics coming forward tell us that majority of the cases are because of delayed response. It means that it came from those who ignored the initial symptoms and comorbidities. They took home remedies and didn't visit doctors. When the symptoms increased and they faced problems, they visited hospitals. This is very painful for both health workers and patients.
The fatal virus is now gaining a foothold in Canada's most populous province, Ontario, which is witnessing an exponential increase in locally transmitted cases. In America, states continue to report record new cases, fearing an explosion in COVID-19 cases as the influenza season approaches. In Latin America, the disease is claiming thousands of lives every day, with Brazil being hit the hardest as it reported over 1,000 more deaths today. With the government's refusal to implement restrictions, Sao Paulo state has reached out to a Chinese company for bulk buying of a prospect vaccine.
Our target is simple. So we will bring enough vaccine to Brazil. The most important, we also bring the affordable vaccine to be here and to benefit everyone in this country to against this COVID-19 pandemic.
The situation in Western Europe is getting worse by the day, with new infections back to peak pandemic levels in France. Spain has locked down Madrid again after it accounted for more than a third of the total cases diagnosed in the country over the past 2 weeks.